In a quiet countryside barn, an unexpected treasure awaits. A hidden Porsche 911 left to time, ready to be discovered. Approaching the barn, we see its faded walls and overgrown weeds. This forgotten relic holds a secret. Something special is waiting behind those doors. As we open the barn doors, we get our first glimpse of something intriguing. A shape, barely visible, beckons us closer. What could it be? The tarp is pulled back, and there it is, a Porsche 911, covered in dust and cobwebs, a mystery waiting to be revealed. With each layer removed, we see the car more clearly. It's seen better days, but there's no mistaking it a classic Porsche. Now fully revealed, the Porsche stands, weathered but still graceful. Its body may be worn, but its design is timeless. The tires are cracked and flat, yet they tell a story of a car that once roared to life. Every detail speaks of its past. The windshield, cracked and weathered, holds the marks of years gone by. It's a reminder of the journey this car has taken. Inside, the leather is worn, the dashboard cracked, but you can still feel the elegance. This car was once more than just a vehicle, it was a statement. Lifting the hood reveals a dormant engine, covered in dust. The heart of the Porsche, waiting for the right moment to start beating again. The decision now lies before us: restore it to its former glory, or preserve its story as it is. Either way, this Porsche has a future. Restoration begins soon, and we can't wait to see this classic Porsche back on the road, shining just like it was meant to. What do you think we should do with this Porsche 911? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more restoration adventures.